What's up, guys? JJ Fade 23. I'm just going to make a quick basic candlesticks 101 video. All right? Something you can very easily Google, but it's easier a lot of times when people explain it to you, okay? Green candle means the price closed, means it opened and ended up closing higher. Red candle means it opened and closed lower. This is the body of the candle, and these are considered wicks. So this is a wick or a shadow, they call it, a shadow or a wick, and this is the body. This is the body, and this is the wick or shadow. All these candlesticks are the same on every time frame, okay? So whether it's a 1 minute chart, a 5 minute chart, a 10-minute chart, 30-minute, hourly, it doesn't matter. The candles look exactly the same. They're just different time frames, all right? So what this means is on a green candle, that means the stock opened here, it dipped, and this was the low of day, and it went back up, and that was the high of day. The top of the wick or shadow was the high day, and then it closed right here. It also could have opened here, went up to here, then came down to here. But this basically means this is the low of day, this is the high of day, this is the close, and this is the open. Over here, this is the open, and it went down below the open price, so the candle turns red. Now, this could have popped up to here, then went back to. So if this is the open and this is the close, that means it went down, so we closed red. All right, but it could have gone green. It could have started here, started to spike and been green, and then when it came back down through the open price, it turns red. Came all the way down, 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 back up, and closed right here. So the open, close, shadow or wick, shadow or wick. All right. Now a few things about this. This is basic candlesticks 101. But another thing I want to talk about is volume. Now, guys, volume confirms the trend, okay? So when a stock is moving up, 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 the volume should be moving up as well, okay? Think of volume as like demand. It's measuring the strength of the move, okay? So, sorry about that. So if you look like, sorry, one sec. If you look, all right, I'm not the best drawer, but if the price is going up, all right, the volume is at the bottom of the screen usually, should be going up too, okay? So you want the volume going up. If the volume's going down like this and price is going up, that's showing weakness in the move, okay? So you want to use volume. And by the way, guys, volume, what volume is just showing you how the volume at the bottom of most charts is just telling you how much trading, how much shares are being traded in that candle, whether it's 1 minute or 5 minute. And so if it's a 1 minute candle, let's go back to this. If this is a 1 minute candle, the volume at the bottom of the screen, let's say it's 1 million, it will tell you did 1 million shares in that 1 minute candle. So then let's say it goes up again. Let's say this closes right here. That means the next candle opens right here. It dips, starts to go up again. Now we have 1.5 million, right? And then the next candle, now we have 2 million. So volume is going up, and so isn't the price. But if volume starts to go down while the price is going up, that means the trend is not being confirmed by the volume. So you have to be careful for that. Think of it, remember, think of the volume as demand, strength of the move, how strong this move is. And another little tip, you guys. So a lot of times you'll notice on many charts, actually, let me pull a chart over here for you real quick. One sec. I'll show you an intraday chart, 1 minute chart, it doesn't matter, okay? I want to show you something. Let me see something traded today. All right, so this is what you will see. All right, so notice, guys, right? As this stock starts to move up, all right? See how the volume's going up? Like you're topping out around the same spot, but it's slowly increasing. And then you notice what happens. Guys, highest volume of the day, reversal, fake breakout right here, which we get into that in later lessons. But you have a fake breakout at a key level on the highest volume of the day. That's a reversal indicator. Guys, pay attention to these volumes. A lot of times, right, when you have volume around it, you'll notice, see this spike right here? See this spike of volume, how it caused a short-term reversal? Then you have low volume again. Another spike of volume right there caused a reversal. Then the stock's coming down. See this little spike of volume right here caused a little bounce? You'll notice a lot of times when the stock has low volume, at these little reversal points, whether they're big reversals or little, you'll see a little volume elevation on reversals. See that? Right there, little volume elevation. Right there, little volume elevation. Right there. These are all little tiny bounce places. This happens a lot with many, many stocks. Let's see about... So let me see right here. Let me take the pre-market data off real quick. Put the pre-market data on so you can see. So this kind of like fizzled out real quick. You see it popped up on volume. The volume fizzled out, started to dump. But now look, as we come down, so watch, ready? It comes down, it bounces right here. See how this little low volume, and then you get a boop, a little elevation in volume where it bounces. Comes down again, boop, little elevation. That one only bounced a tiny bit, but you'll notice, like, look right here. See, it's starting to bounce, and then boop, right where the volume elevates, it reverses. So I used to practice on my charts, right? I used to do practice trades. I'd take the candlesticks off the charts, try to spot the reversals. So I'd be looking at my EMAs, and I'd be looking at the volume. I wouldn't see any candlesticks, and I would mark on the chart like this. I would say, like, all right, it's going down here. I'd see we got extended from the EMAs. Remember, we usually come away from the EMAs, we go back to them. We come away from the EMAs, we go back to them. We come away, we go back to them. So this is coming down. I see the reversal. I know we're a little off the 2134. I'd say, okay, that probably bounced right there. And then it's coming down, right? We got a little away from it. Volume elevated, we probably bounced right there. We probably reversed right there. So that's a good way to practice spotting reversals. You take the candlesticks off the chart. You mark the charts like this with anything, like you just do it, whatever. Mark it, and then put the candlesticks back on and say, how good was I? And then you go, holy crap, I can trade with no candlesticks. How many people can trade with no candlesticks? Now, if you add level 2 with time and sales into that and key levels and stuff like that, now you really got it going on. So just anyways, that's more for later stuff. I'm just right now basically just wanted to show you guys basic candlesticks 101. So let's go. So guys, look, that means the green candle right here, the price opened right here. It dipped. That was the low of this 1 minute candle, and then it goes back into the body. It went up. That's the high of the 1 minute candle, and it closed right there. Next candle opens. It dips. It goes back to the open price, so it goes green. It made the bottom tail, which is the low of the wick. The body goes up to here, and then it goes a little higher, and then it closes right here. Another green candle because we closed higher than the open price. Now, right here, this candle opens low. It spikes. Once it goes back through the open price of this candle, it turns red because now we're going down. It comes down to a lower day here, and then it closes right here. So the wick comes down, and then the body closes right there, and so on and so on and so on. So basic candlesticks. Now, besides candlesticks, I'm going to get into patterns and stuff, basic patterns, but that'll be for the next video. I just wanted to introduce you to the basic candlestick. Thank you very much. Have a good day.